How to view Facebook memories and past activities. To check Facebook all memories and all activities, first of all launch your Facebook application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Then hit on the menu button which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, if you scroll down a little bit, there you will see settings and privacy. Go through it and hit on settings. Now scroll down a little bit, there you will see activity log. Under your activity, simply tap on it. Now there you will see activity history, select that, and here are all of your past activities and memories of your Facebook. In this way, you can easily view Facebook memories and past activities. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.